Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. Well, this never ceases to amaze me that there's something out there that I've never seen before. If anybody has ever seen one of these, you need to comment lots because we're gonna try and figure this out. So what we got, barn find, bush find, now in the shop find, 72 Mustang Mach 1, but not just any Mach 1. And I'm just learning this as we go here. It's what they call a Spirit Edition. And this one is a Canadian Spirit Edition. And it is just, again, super solid. And we have some remnants of decals and stuff, but this car has lived outside for many, many years. And the new owner here now has, obviously in a much better situated position here. But this thing is just wicked. Looks, again, there's a little bit of rust here and there, but I mean, for sitting outside for 20 plus years. And the story is it was driven into the spot where it was parked and just left. So the only thing we have to solve in the next shortcomings is get the trunk open. It doesn't have a trunk key. But yeah, this thing is just wicked. Yeah, so it's got Kelsey Hayes ETs. Again, wide, they gotta be probably 8-9 inches for sure wide. Big super stock Formula One. It just fits the look though. If we look at this again, being it's a Spirit Edition Mach 1, so they made, let's say 452 is what the number I think I recall. And if I'm wrong, again, don't ridicule me all over the internet, but there's only 6 Canadian version ones in the registry. And this one's not in the registry. So this could be number 7, but I do think it could again be a one of one. The powertrain setup in this is a 351, a 4-barrel carburetor with 4-speed manual. And again, looking at the interior, we can easily see remnants of the Spirit Edition seats with the blue inserts with the red piping. So now to just back up a little bit here, for those of you who've never seen a Spirit Edition like myself, because this is this is new to me. In 1972 was the Summer Olympics, and Ford came out with these Spirit Edition vehicles. There's USA and there's Canada versions, and they were this white and blue scheme. They did have, from the pictures that I've seen, is blue stripes down the hood, and then if you had a USA version, they had a USA emblem here on either side of the quarter panel, and same thing for Canada. So we're not for sure yet, but I'm thinking, yes, this car's been repainted because it's got fender flares added, which I think looks super good. And then obviously the hood scoop, the big gnarly hood scoop. But yeah, super unique. Super unique. So yeah, we're gonna try and learn as we go here through this car. So yeah, if anybody out there has some Spirit Mustang information, and the pictures that I've looked at, we have not found another Maple Leaf with the Canada flag on the roof. I think it looks super killer. And again, I do think the car was painted, so maybe it was added, but I think it looks, again, it's just 1970. It's the 1970s retro for sure. So when the owner got it, we had this conversation of what to do with it. And in the moment, like, just don't touch it. Let's figure it out. Baby steps. I mean, it really looks unmolested, under the engine compartment and stuff. It looks as original as I've ever seen a 72 Mustang. So we're gonna throw a battery in and see what happens. The oil looks good. We're gonna tap it over, make sure it's not seized, which I don't think it is. It's been, stored outside, but whatever. We'll put some gas down the carburetor and see if it wants to come back to life. But yeah, 72 Spirit. Yeah, like I said, it's super tight. Look at the mileage. The doors close like they're brand new. Like, that's ridiculous. A car of this vintage just has, it feels like no wear. So we got a tack, factory tack, fuel gauge. I mean, the Rally cluster looks pretty cool. AM radio. Oh, we got retro 8-track added, which again, that's to be expected in this era. There's our gauges. Yeah, blue, white, and red. Just, I mean, that's screaming Olympic patriotism, I suppose. Obviously, the mice have made some homes in here, but it's been outside, like I said, forever. But it's super intact. Super intact. All right, so if anybody's got some insight, send it out, comment on the video, please. And we're gonna try and piece this baby together. Try and find out even where it's from originally. We're gonna learn here how to track these VIN numbers and see if we can find the dealership where it made it start from. I'll throw a picture of the tag on the side. That's what we got. So yeah, you can see this stripe was painted with a little bit of overspray on here. I mean, the car, I'm sure, has been painted once at least, and that side stripe potentially added, but I think it looks killer. Again, if you watch the videos and follow the channel, you can definitely tell I'm a pro Mopar guy, but I like this one. I'm gonna put the hood down so you can see this big gnarly scoop too. Pro Street scoop. Oh, we got some stuff. We'll do that after. We got some tight hinges. I don't want to do any damage. We definitely got some rot up in the hood, but that's a minor dilemma. Yeah, well, let's see if we can light the wick and see what happens here. All right, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.